Alrighty, folks, we have now entered Big Canyon. We wanted to call it the Grand Canyon. That name was already taken. If you look to our front left-hand side, you can see that we're coming up on our sister tram car. As it passes
get ready to wave to these people.
waypoint up the mountain, make sure to wave to show them that we are the
Be sure to wave to them.
car.
Hi.
I'm terrified, people.
Hello.
I'm terrified so much, people. I'm terrified.
Oh, that was fun.
They look so big. They look very big. Yeah. Compared to
So
us,
it's like a loop thing. You go down and then up.
We get a picture of that.
It's scary.
As you can see, we are slowing down a little bit. If